Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I am doing some really cute boho inspired nails. At least that's kind of like what I think the style reminds me of. And these were inspired by a picture that I found on Pinterest actually of just a pattern. And I really liked it and wanted to kind of turn it into a nail art design. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. And if you are not following me on Pinterest already, I do have a full board of different patterns like this that can totally be inspired and turned into nail art. So make sure if you want to kind of have some more inspiration ideas, make sure to follow me on Pinterest because I'm always posting to that board different patterns and all sorts of different stuff that just you can totally turn anything into nail art. And I honestly enjoy making nail art out of things that are like not necessarily nails, because then you find out your own personal style and it's going to be totally unique to you and you're not copying anyone else. So I will put the link to my Pinterest in the description box, so make sure to check that out if you want to follow me there. So for this design, she does have her nails done with luminary, and I did a fill on her. So for the design, I'm doing some white nails for the patterned nails, and I decided to try the gel polish from Nashley Nails. This is number 1, and I feel like it covered pretty good. It wasn't a stark, bright white. Like, it did have a little bit of softness to it, which I liked. I also found this little template online of some nails, used my iPad and the app Procreate to kind of sketch out my design. I actually went through and I did like 3 or 4 pages of nail designs that I had in my head, and it was really nice. So I will put the link to where you can download these templates, because it's so nice to be able to like draw out your nail art, and it kind of helps you kind of get your ideas out of your head and kind of lay it out on some paper before you want to actually put it on nails. So I did 2 coats of that white on several of her nails on both hands. And then for the other nails, I used Luxio Relentless, which is one of my favorites for fall. It's a really pretty like brown kind of like camel color. It's gorgeous. So I used Luxio Relentless, and then I also used Luxio Suave, which is one of their newer shades, and it's a beautiful soft dusty kind of denim blue. And I feel like this like brown and blue for fall right now is super trendy, and I just love this color combination. So for the design, I'm just using some black gel paint. This is the Magpie gel paint, and I'll make sure and link everything down below in the description box. And I'm just going to do like a little Dalmatian type of nail. So just some bigger spots, some medium spots, and then filling in with some little spots. And then I'm making sure and cure that nail. Then for the other nails, I'm doing a kind of rainbow design with 3 colors, and I'm going to be using a pink, which is Raw Rose by Luxa Polish, and it's a really pretty like dusty pink color. I think it kind of went with this color scheme really well. It's not too bright. It's not like a bright summery pink, so it fit really nicely with this color scheme. So I'm just doing like a half rainbow on some of the nails, and it's super easy to do. I'm using a detailer brush and just painting on the rainbows, and then I'm going to add the other colors as well. So on some of the nails, I added some little black dots, and this is just going to tie in that Dalmatian nail. And then I'm going to add some leaves on the other nails, and for this I'm using my Accents Line It Gel Play Black gel paint, because I find that doing like really fine lines, this gel paint works really well. So I'm just painting on the leaves first, and then I'm going to add the stem, and I believe with the stem I used a striping brush. After the design was done, I top coated the solid colors with a matte top coat, and then I top coated the other nails with a shiny top coat. So this is like one of my best friends, and she loves matte, I love shiny, so we do a little compromise, and her nails usually have like a couple nails matte and a couple nails shiny. So that's how we did it this time. So this is the finished product for this boho rainbow look. I absolutely love it. I love this color scheme for fall. So cute. And I love that it was taken from just a random Pinterest picture that I had found. So it was totally unique. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.